Hi friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and today I'm going to show you how you can design this particular mechanical part we can see on the left side. So this is being asked by one of my subscribers, and I'm going to analyze the design process with this video tutorial. And I hope you enjoy this, and please keep watching. So this is the second part of the tutorial, and here the first part we have designed this particular portion. So I recommend all the beginner users to go back to the first part of the tutorial to know how you have come till this much of the design. Alright, now I'll come to this particular portion or this plane. I'll come to the sketch, and then I'm gonna create this two circles right here. So come to the circle and create two circles here. Do the dimensioning for the circles. So we know that the radius of the circle or the diameter is 238. So I'll switch this to diameter and 238, and this diameter is 162. Alright, now I'll just come out of the sketch and do a padding. The padding distance is 62, so give it 62. So we got that particular portion there, and then we gotta do two holes. So for creating that holes we need points. So if I give hole and if I select this surface, I won't be really able to position that particular point. So instead I'm gonna create that point. So as you know that the whole point lies at a distance of 30. I'm gonna create a plane at a distance of 30. Reverse direction, 30 offset. So I got a plane over there. Now I'm gonna select that plane and I'm gonna give a sketch. Alright, now I'll simply put a point, and I'll coincide that point with the circle. Now I'll coincide this point with this particular plane, and that point is completely constrained. Alright, now I'll just come out of the sketch and I'll just use a whole command on this surface, position sketch. In the position sketch I'm gonna ask with the software that I want this whole point to lie on that. Just come out of the sketch and then give the parameters for the whole. So up to next and M20, so go to the thread definition, make it threaded, and metric thick pitch, and give M20 here. So that'll do our thing. Got a hole there. Same way you can do in this case too. Create a point first. So that's the easiest way you can do it. Just create a point there. Make this point coincide this with the circle, and then this point should lie with this, and just come out of the sketch and then give a hole on the surface, thread definition, extension, position sketch, and create. That's it. Now it's the M20 which was previously being assigned, and we got two holes here. You can actually hide these holes if you want, and then you need to create a what do you call a nut kind of thing. You can do that by doing it another as another file, and you can assemble it. So in this case it's actually it's not so complicated, so you can actually do it over here. What you can switch back to the generative shape design workbench, and then select this point and create a circle, a full circle, and the support is XY plane, and just come to the part design workbench once again, select the circle and do a padding, reverse direction. So the thickness of it is say a 10. So that would be sufficient. If you want to do what do you call screw kind of thing, you can do it. So that's not really a hard thing to accomplish. So you can do the same way over here too, or if you want me to explain, I can do that. So that's really not required in this case. So the main part of the design is that you need to achieve is this particular component and this component right here. So that's all about this particular tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back to me if you have any doubts, any clarifications. You can always write to me at catia.pro.user, catia.pro.user@gmail.com. You can write to me with reference files. You can ask me doubts. You can always ask me doubts about your projects or whatever. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.